Introduction to Family Meal Planning.
Creating balanced meals for the whole family can feel overwhelming, especially when everyone's needs and tastes differ. With a few thoughtful strategies, you can make meal planning much simpler, ensuring nutritious, tasty options for kids, teens, adults, and older family members alike. Let's explore how to bring everyone to the table with ease and confidence.
Understanding different nutritional needs.
Family members at different ages require unique nutrients. Children need plenty of calcium and protein for growth, while teens benefit from iron and fiber-rich foods. Adults may prioritize heart-healthy fats and whole grains, and older adults need extra vitamin D and B12. Recognizing these needs helps you create meals that support each person's health and energy.
Building balanced meals made simple.
A well-rounded plate includes vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Offer a variety of colors and textures. Think roasted vegetables, grilled chicken or tofu, brown rice, and a side of sliced fruit. Family-style serving lets everyone build their own plate, making it easy to accommodate preferences or portion sizes.
Time-saving planning tips.
Save time by planning meals for the week ahead and creating a shopping list together. Prep ingredients like chopped veggies and cooked grains in advance. Choose recipes with overlapping ingredients to reduce waste. Having a few go-to meals, such as hearty soups or build-your-own taco nights, can make dinner stress-free and enjoyable.
Encouraging healthy habits for all ages.
Involve all family members in meal choices and preparation. This fosters healthier eating habits and helps children and teens learn valuable kitchen skills. Keep water, fruits, and healthy snacks easily accessible. Regular family meals promote connection, encourage mindful eating, and support wellness for every generation.